In a strategic move to enhance its technological footprint in the United Kingdom, Saab UK has launched a new radar manufacturing plant in Fareham, Hampshire. The Swedish defence giant's UK subsidiary officially unveiled the facility, which marks a significant step in the company's ongoing commitment to the UK defence sector. This newly built complex, consisting of 3 dedicated structures, will primarily focus on the development and production of cutting-edge radar systems. A key component of this new site's operations will be the creation of Saab's renowned Giraffe 1X multi-purpose 3D radar, widely used for air defense and surveillance purposes. Additionally, the facility will play a crucial role in the production of Seaeye SR20 remotely operated underwater vehicles, further broadening Saab's capabilities in advanced defense technologies. Beyond developing these innovative systems, the plant will also maintain and support existing radar models that serve the UK Armed Forces. This includes the Giraffe 1X and Giraffe AMB air defense radars, along with the Taipan, Arthur, counter-battery radar, all of which contribute to enhancing the UK's defense readiness. The establishment of this plant also brings substantial economic and workforce benefits, promising to generate up to 400 jobs. The facility will provide opportunities for young professionals to receive valuable on-the-job training, ensuring the future generation of experts in this high-tech sector. Michael Johansson, President and CEO of Saab, highlighted the importance of this investment, emphasizing the company's long-term commitment to the UK's defense and innovation. In line with its growing relationship with the UK, Saab secured a significant order in May 2023 from the UK Ministry of Defence, which included the procurement of 11 Giraffe 1X radars, valued at approximately 264 million Swedish kronor, around $23 million. These radars will be pivotal in enhancing the capabilities of systems like the Sky Sabre air defense network, which has been progressively deployed since 2021. The facility is not only a milestone for Saab's operations in the UK but also a key part of the defense technology landscape, supporting the modern needs of both land and naval forces. As the new plant begins its operations, it stands as a testament to Saab's forward-looking approach in contributing to the defense and security of the UK, ensuring cutting-edge systems that serve both current and future needs.